Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. How are you? I am fine and I hope that you will be all okay and fit from health by the grace of God. Dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube Passion for our channel. You are watching the best and trendy collections of rainwear dresses. These dresses are very beautiful and charming colors, specially made for rainy season. Completely waterproof and windproof. Excellent romantic fabric raincoats. Dear friends, I hope that you will like my video and enjoy my videos, so I request you please subscribe my channel if you are new and share my videos with your friends and say them to subscribe my channel. Dear friends, I have to my best try to bring for you best and trendy collection. You can get ideas from my collection. Dear friends, if you want to see much more collection about fashion, please visit my YouTube Fashion for our channel and search videos about your own choice. Like bridal dresses, bridal jewelry. Dear friends, my video is to be end. Goodbye till the next attractive video. God bless you. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.